Learning how to install Sketchup plugins and extensions can immensely increase your productivity. It's important that you learn the difference between tools, plugins, and extensions. Once you understand the basic difference, I will guide you step-by-step method of how to install extensions and plugins, and give some resources on where you can find plugins and extensions on your own. Tools are anything that is built into the Sketchup software. That means the stuff that you can use right after you install the program. For example, line tool, move tool, push-pull tool, rotate tool, etc. Plugins are added into SketchUp after the initial install to provide additional features. Most times these are developed by third party. In SketchUp, plugins have the .rb file suffix. Extensions are more robust plugins. By default, extensions can be toggled on and off, while plugins cannot. For SketchUp, extensions have the .rbz file suffix. Many of you, though, will already be familiar with the basics of SketchUp and want to take your modeling skills to the next level. While the tools that come with the software are useful for most everyday tasks, anyone who has used SketchUp for more than a few days will know that there are plenty of plugins out there that provide ease in working in SketchUp and also increase your productivity. For installing SketchUp plugins and extensions, you have to open your search engine and type Sketchucation. Click on this option and choose the first option. It will take you to the site Sketchucation. There you will find all the plugins and extensions to download. But for that you have to either register yourself with an account, or if you have already registered, you have to log in. There are two options for that. Either you go for the paid version or for the paid account, or you can register yourself with the free account. For free account, click on this tab. It will take you to a page that has some fields given for you to fill, and you have to fill that form and click register. As soon as you get the message that you have been registered successfully, you can go ahead and start downloading plugins, extensions of your choice. As I am already registered, I will take you through the next steps. After logging into your account, click on Plugin Store. This is the place where you will have to search for the plugin. Type in the name of the plugin and hit enter. It will show you all the related options. Read the description about the plugin and check version update for compatibility. Finally, hit the download button and it will be saved in the downloads folder. You can move it in your plugin folder. That would be a better option to manage your plugins. Now all you have to do is to go to SketchUp, click on Extension Manager icon. You can also find it under the tab Windows Extension Manager. Now in the Extension Manager window, click Install Extension. It will ask you to select a RBZ file to open. You have to navigate through the plugin folder and choose the plugin that you want to install and click Open. Plugin will be installed, and if it is not enabled, you have to enable it and hit Apply Changes. Sometimes you need to restart SketchUp for the tools and plugins to show up. So go ahead and start SketchUp again. There you will find all the plugins that you have installed, and for that you have to right click on this bar and you have to open the tool set of your choice. Now where to find plugins and extensions? There are three options where you can find SketchUp plugins and extensions. The first one is the SketchUp extension warehouse. By far the best place to get extensions. This is the safest and the easiest place to go to find what you need. Then there is a site named Mustard where you can find free plugins and extensions. And the one that we have explored today is the Sketchucation site, which is another great option to find extensions and plugins to download.